we are going to discuss an analysis about the current affairs of 3rd June. I have arranged some multiple choice questions from various sources from the internet for your benefit, for your success, for your enhancement and for your knowledge updation in the field current affairs section in the various type of main examinations like IBPS, SBI and RBI. So let's begin. As you see, the first question is on the screen. Who has been awarded with the WHO Director General Special Recognition Award? Harshvardhan has been awarded with WHO Director General Special Recognition Award. Harshvardhan, who is also the Union Minister for Family and for Health and Family Welfare. Second question from World Cup. T20 World Cup will include how many teams from 2024? Okay. In the T20 there are 20 teams. Okay. There are 20 teams in the T20 World Cup decided by the ICC, International Cricket Council, headquartered in Dubai. Has decided the number of teams in men's T20 World Cup from 2024. The number of teams will be 20 as per the new guidelines. Same here, the number of teams from ODI World Cup 2027 will have 14 teams. Okay. In ODI there are in T20 there are 20 teams. In ODI there are 14 teams. As you see in the article published by the Hindustan Times, ICC announces expansion of men's T20 and 50 over World Cup tournaments. In a press release, the ICC also said that the men's T20 World Cup will be expanded to 20 teams and will take place every 2 years from 2024 to 2030. Okay. The second paragraph, the ICC on Tuesday announced the decision to expand the men's ODI cricket award World Cup to 14 teams for 2027 and 2031. In a release, the ICC also said that the men's World Cup will be expanded to 20 teams and will men's T20 World Cup will expanded and will take place every 2 years from 2024 to 2030. ये आपको याद रखना है. Okay. Understand? All of you can simply understand English by reading it in a simple manner, in a supportive way. Okay. You have to read it carefully what it is given in the article prescribed by any news aggregator. What is the estimated GDP growth rate for the fiscal year 2021-22 as per State Bank of India? As per State Bank of India, the growth rate, GDP growth rate for the fiscal year 2021-22 is 7.9%. Okay, this is 7.9% as per SBI. SBI के SBI के द्वारा ये बताया गया है 7.9%. Kappa and Delta have been in the news are related to which of the following? Kappa and Delta are new COVID variant detected in India. Okay, new COVID variant Kappa and Delta detected in India, noticed, identified in India by World Health Organization. You have to remember it carefully. You have to read it carefully. You have to remember it carefully. Okay, these are COVID variants. Kappa and Delta are COVID variants. Option A is the right answer for you the given question. Cabinet has approved memorandum of understanding between India and which nation for cooperation in mineral resources sector? Which option should be the right answer? Will be the right answer for the given question. You have to answer it quickly. The answer is, the right answer is Argentina. Argentina and MOU signed and partnered a MOU for their cooperation in mineral resources sector. Okay, mineral resources sector. Okay, Argentina with Argentina mineral resources sector Argentina. Next question from the same matter. Union Cabinet has approved MOC between India and which nation in sustainable urban development? In mineral resources sector, India has signed MOU with Argentina. On the other hand, in the field of sustainable urban development, India has signed a MOU with Japan country for sustainable urban development. Okay, you have to remember it in a right way. Japan and India sustainable urban development, Argentina and India mineral resources sector. Which will be the right answer for the given question? The question is, the Maharashtra government has provided a how much reservation to the Maratha candidates under इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन कैटेगरी EWS कैटेगरी के तहत मराठा कैंडिडेट्स को महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा कितना प्रतिशत रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है? 10% रिजर्वेशन यहाँ पे दिया गया है महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा. ओके, 10% रिजर्वेशन यहाँ पे दे दिया गया है मराठा कैंडिडेट्स को. ओके, report the right answer for the question. Mark the right answer for the question A, B, C or D. The question is, which nation has reported a new hybrid variant? Okay, new hybrid variant of COVID. Vietnam has reported a new hybrid variant of COVID-19. Vietnam, the capital of Vietnam, Hanoi. Okay, capital of Vietnam, Hanoi. Currency Vietnamese dong. Okay, currency Vietnamese dong. Capital is, the capital of Vietnam is at Hanoi. You have to remember it. The next question is from One Nation, One Standard scheme. Which nation, which organization has become the standard body to join the One Nation, One Standard scheme? RDSO. The option A is the right answer for the given question on the screen. On your screen, as you see on your screen, Research, Design and Standards Organization, which sets standards for the Indian railway sector, has become the first standards body in the country to join One Nation, One Standard scheme of the central government. Okay, Research, RDSO, Research, Design and Standards Organization, RDSO, okay, is the nodal agency to implement One Nation, One Standard scheme of the Union government. Next question from the appointment section in the current affairs. Jagannath Vidyadhar Mahapatra has been roped in as the new chairman of which organization? CBDT, okay, CBDT, सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस का न्यू चेयरमैन बनेंगे अभी से। नाम है उनका जगन्नाथ विद्याधर महापात्रा। ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर इट। बनेंगे सीबीडीटी का चेयरमैन, सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस का चेयरमैन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दी मूडीज, which is the projected GDP growth of the Indian economy for financial year 22 as per Modi's latest report? As per Modi's latest report, 9.3% is the latest report prescribed by Modi for the Indian economy in financial year 22. Okay, GDP growth 9.3%. The next question from the country India. India has launched the world's first nano urea for the welfare of the farmers across the globe. You have to remember it. In slide, the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. Remember the organization name, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, has introduced the world's first nano urea liquid for farmers across the world. नाम है नानो यूरिया लिक्विड। ओके, इंडिया फार्मर्स फर्टिलाइजर कोऑपरेटिव लिमिटेड। EcoRap has been released by SBI. Okay, SBI has released a research report named EcoRap. Okay, named EcoRap. SBI. Right answer is option D for the given question on your screen. Next question is on the screen. Which vaccine has become the 8th vaccine to receive WHO emergency use listing? सिनोवैक को दे दिया गया है इमरजेंसी यूज लिस्टिंग में। ये होता है 8 नंबर का वैक्सीन होता है सिनोवैक। ओके, which online medical platform has acquired Medlife to become largest online pharmacy in India? Online pharmacy PharmEasy to become the largest online pharmacy in India with the partnership of with the stock buying of MedLife. Okay, farm easy.